Now we have to see the subject complex analysis and the topic bilinear transformation. What is bilinear transformation? Bilinear transformation means a transformation of the form W equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D is called bilinear transformation or linear fractional transformation or Mobius transformation, Mobius transformation. When the constants A, B, C, D are complex and the condition AD minus BE not equal to 0, then the transformation is said to be bilinear transformation. Now we have see the problems under the bilinear transformation. First one, show that W equal to Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 maps the real axis in Z plane onto a circle modulus of Z equal to 1. And next question, what are the portion of Z plane corresponds to the interior of the circle C? Solution for this problem. Solution for the first problem. What is given transformation? Modulus W equal to Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. In the W plane, we have given the circle. What is the given circle? Modulus of Z W equal to 1. Given circle is modulus of W equal to 1. Modulus of W equal to 1 means center 0 and radius 1. What is the value for W? Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. So modulus of Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 equal to 1. Then under the property, modulus of Z1 divided by modulus of Z2, two complex numbers are in the modulus division, then write it as the division of two complex numbers. So modulus of Z1 divided by, modulus of Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. Modulus of Z minus 1 divided by modulus of Z plus 1 equal to 1. Then cross multiplication. Modulus of Z minus 1 equal to modulus of Z plus 1. What is the value for Z? Value for Z equal to X plus IY. So now we have square both sides. Squaring both sides, we have modulus of Z minus 1 the whole square equal to modulus of Z plus 1 the whole square. What is the value for Z? X plus IY minus 1 the whole square equal to X plus IY plus 1 the whole square. Now separate the real and imaginary parts. First one, X minus 1 is the real part and the imaginary part is Y. Then in the RHS, X plus 1 is the real part and Y is imaginary part. What is the formula for modulus of Z? Real part root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So we have this square, so real part square plus imaginary part square. In the same way, LHS, real part square plus imaginary part square. Take all the values into LHS. X minus 1 the whole square plus Y square minus X plus 1 the whole square minus Y square equal to 0. minus y square plus y square get cancelled. Then x minus 1, remaining part x minus 1 the whole square divided by x plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. What is the value for x minus 1 the whole square? That is a square minus b square formula. A value x minus 1. So a plus b into a minus b. A minus b value x minus x plus 1. So minus x minus 1 equal to 0. A square minus b square equal to a square minus b square, sorry, a square minus b square equal to 0. So a plus b, a minus b equal to 0. Here minus x plus x cancel. So what is the value? Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Here minus x plus x cancel. So here 2x into minus 2 equal to 0. That is x equal to 0. So under the transformation w equal to z minus 1 divided by z plus 1, we have x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means the real part is 0. Real part is 0 means imaginary part. So which implies that this denotes the y-axis, that is imaginary axis. So we have completed the problem. What we have, so that imaginary axis in z plane into the circle w equal to 1. Then what is the next one? Here if we have to substitute in z, if we have to substitute x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means w equal to x plus iy minus 1 divided by x plus iy minus 1. X equal to 0 means what is the value? What is the next question? What is the portion of z plane corresponds to the interior of w equal to 1? If we have to substitute x equal to 0, then what is the value? Iy minus 1 divided by iy plus 1. So this is so substitute z equal to 1 in, here we have to substitute z equal to 1, then w equal to 0. So z equal to 1 means w equal to 0. So z greater than 0 means w modulus of w less than 1, that is the portion of the plane x greater than 0 corresponds to the interior of the circle modulus of z equal to 1. Interior points only. What is the second problem? So first problem is over. Second problem. What is the second problem? Find the image of modulus of z minus 2i equal to 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 by z. find the image of modulus of z minus 2i equal to 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 by z. So what is the transformation? Here the transformation is w equal to 1 by z. Image of which one's image? Modulus of z minus 2i equal to z. Modulus of z minus 2i equal to z. So w equal to 1 by z means what is the value for z here? Z equal to 1 by w. So substitute z equal to 1 by w minus 2i equal to 2. So 1 minus 2wi equal to 2 into modulus of w. Taking the LCM, so 1 by w minus 2i means 1 minus 2wi equal to, take the denominator w into RHS, so modulus of 2w. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides means 1 minus 2wi square equal to 4 times modulus of z square, w square. What is the value for w? U plus iv. So 1 minus 2 into u plus iv into I modulus of square equal to 4 into u plus iv the whole modulus square. Then split the real and imaginary parts in both LHS and RHS. 1 minus 2u I, multiply the I into inside the bracket. So minus 2vi square modulus of square equal to 4 times u plus iv modulus of u plus iv square. I square value minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1. So 1 plus 2v real part minus imaginary part minus 2u. Four into u plus iv modulus square. Then under the property, what is the modulus definition? Real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part square plus imaginary part square equal to, what is the RHS? Real part u, imaginary part v. So real part square plus imaginary part square. Then a plus b the whole square. 1 plus a square plus 2ab plus b square plus minus 2u the whole square equal to 4u square. Here 4u square plus 4v square. Bring the RHS into LHS. So 1 plus 4v plus 4v square plus 4u square minus 4u square minus 4v square. Minus 4v square plus 4v square get cancelled. Minus 4u square plus 4u square get cancelled. So what is the remaining part after cancellation? We have 1 plus 4v equal to 0. So 4v equal to minus 1. V equal to minus 1 by 4. So the transformation, under the transformation W equal to 1 by Z, modulus of Z minus 2I equal to 2 is have the image V equal to minus 1 by 2. That is straight line. V equal to minus 1 by 2. Thank you.